friends.
Hi friends.
I'm Diana.
And I'm Lila.
And today we're going to draw butterfly. Who likes butterflies?
I love butterflies.
And butterflies are really fun because it's basically, for the wings, they're basically going to be the same on one side as they are on the other. They're very symmetrical. Symmetrical means the same on one side as the other, okay? So what you want to do for this is grab a piece of paper, grab a marker, a pencil, whatever you have, and let's get started. So for this, what I want to do first is I want to draw the body of the butterfly first, and that's going to be in the middle of the page, okay? So before I draw the body, let's draw kind of like a oval shape for the head, okay?
I didn't know butterflies had a head.
Yeah, they have a head and then they have a body. So for that, we're going to do like an oval shape in the middle of the page, somewhere on the top area. So watch. So we're going to go like something like that. Okay? And then oval, round shape like that. And then what we'll do next is we'll give her a body, and the body will be going a curve down like this and a curve down like that. So watch. It'll be so kind of like where the neck would be is going down with the curve like that.
I draw butterflies many times before.
You have? And then another curve going down, looping down to this point. So watch. From here down to here. So make sure it's a point on the end. And make sure it's a point at the end. Yep. Beautiful. How about we'll give her a face? Yeah? Okay, so for that, let's draw some eyes. So for that, I'm gonna just do an upside down curve shape going down like that. And another one like that for the other eye. And then let's do some eyelashes. So bloop, bloop, going
kind
up.
of tiny.
They are tiny because this is a tiny butterfly. And then let's do a curve shape going up for the mouth.
I like to make my mouth a double mouth so I can color it in.
You know what else I'll do? I'm actually gonna add some hair. So for that, I'm gonna add like a curve going down that way. And a curve going down that way. And how about we'll give her a bun? On the top of her head, just make a circle like that. And then the butterflies also have antennas. So for that, we're gonna go curve going up like this and then a little circle.
Because they can't see.
Go like that, antenna going up. And a little circle on the top of that. And another one coming from the bun going up to the other way. And then make a circle like that. Make sense? Great. Ooh, lovely. Okay, so now that's it. That's all I'm gonna do for the body. And you can actually do other things. You can draw maybe a pattern in here, maybe an outfit, whatever you want to decorate, but I'm just gonna leave mine just like this for now, okay? So now let's work on the wings. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw the wings on this side, and then we're gonna do the same thing on that side, okay? So let's start from the right side. So what we'll do is we'll make a line that's gonna be kind of going like this. So watch. It's gonna go kind of a curve. It's gonna kind of go down and up a little bit, but very slightly, a very gentle curve. So kind of go up and then down and then up again. Or you can make a straight line, whatever is easier for you, as long as it's going to be the same on both sides. Yep. And then what we'll do is we'll now go down curve like this. Watch. In, out, in. So make a curve going in, out. It's like an S, long S shape. Okay, so what we'll do now is we'll just connect this part of the wing to the body. So we'll go like this. And just draw a line going that way. Beautiful. Okay, so now that we did this part of the wing, let's do the left side of the wing, okay? And we'll do the same thing. So for here, I'm gonna turn my paper a little bit like this so it's easier for me to draw. We'll do the same thing, but going the other direction. So we'll go, so let's see, I think I wanna end somewhere right there. Okay, so I'm just gonna make a dot for myself so I know where to stop. So we're gonna go up, down, and then up. Okay?
Can you make a dot?
So for you, yeah, you can just follow along, and I would say just make like a dot like right there. That's where you're gonna stop. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, and so just make a curve that goes up, down, and up.
Up,
Down, and up. And then we're gonna make, let's see, I know this ends right here. So for this part, I think I'm gonna draw actually a line going from here somewhere to about there. So I know where, yeah, so not too far. That's right there, I would stop, yeah. And then for that part, we're gonna go out, in, out, and then curve it down.
Big butterfly.
Yeah, it's really big wings. And it's okay if it's not perfect. It's just remember to have fun with it. And also don't forget, if we're going too fast, pause the video, finish up the part that we just showed you, and then click play and continue following along with us, right? Okay, now let's work on the bottom part of the wings, okay? So for the bottom part, what we'll do is they're gonna be these like curves. So watch, we're gonna do a curve from somewhere about the middle part. So let's see, we're gonna do a curve from starting from the middle point, going down till about here. So watch, middle, going down to about there, okay? So about middle to just kind of going down.
Middle.
A little bit below the body part. A little bit lower, yep. And we'll do the same thing on the other side. So we'll find the middle point here and go down till about there, about the same place, right?
Right here?
Yeah, so about the middle, and then to make a curve going towards the left, going down. A little bit below the bottom, beautiful. And then what we'll do is we'll just connect now. So from about this part of the body, connect going like a curve shape going down that way. So watch. Going up there. Does that make sense? Till about like right there. And we'll do the same thing. We'll connect this part to that part. So watch. We're gonna go like this, going down like that. There we go. So about the same bottom part, yep. And then connect it to here and make a little curve when you connect them. Beautiful. So that's pretty much it. I mean, that's a butterfly really. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna now do some really cool patterns and decorations to give this butterfly even more interesting look. What do you think? Yeah? So what we're gonna do here is let's kind of make another inner wing that kind of goes like this to like that. Okay? And we're gonna go down. We're gonna just follow the shape, go like that.
The same thing.
Yeah, we're gonna follow like a similar shape. So you're gonna do an inner part of the wing. Not too close to the, yeah, exactly. And then we'll do the same thing. Whatever we do on this side, we have to do it on that side, right? So it looks symmetrical. So again, we're gonna go out, make maybe a little curve, and then bring it down like that, okay? And bring it down towards the other side. Beautiful. Okay, and then here what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy this shape also, but we're gonna go with the inside part of it, curve, and then connect from the body down here and also make that curve. So you're just making an inner wing that's got the same type of shape on this side. So starting here, making a loop. And just, yeah, and you don't have to go that low. Yeah, that's great. And then we'll do the same thing here and here. So again, inner body. I'm gonna start right here and then work our way back up to the same spot, okay? Beautiful, beautiful. And then here, you know what I wanna add? I wanna add like another inner kind of a shape. So watch this. So we're gonna go out. So somewhere from like the middle part, make a curve going up. And then
copy that same thing to make it darker.
And then I'm gonna do around, kind of like big eyes, like an eye shape or an almond shape. I'm going like that. Beautiful. And the same thing on this side. Make a curve going up and another curve going up this way, like an almond, okay? Or like an eye shape. And we're gonna do the kind of a similar round shape, like a big C curve, going like that on the bottom right wing. And just keep curving it around, back to top. And we'll do the same thing on this side. So we'll go like this. I want to make sure it looks about the same as the other one, like that. So kind of like a curvy, like a big U, but a diagonal U. And then how about we add just a few more round shapes, and then we'll be done with the round shapes. We'll make a few lines, okay? So in here, what if we make another kind of an oval circle like that inside of this eye shape? Kind of like looks like an eye. And let's make a smaller one in there. And the same thing on this side. So we'll go like this. And a smaller one like that. Beautiful. We'll do the same thing in here. So we'll make like an oval egg shape right here. Yes. And then how about a smaller circle inside like that? And then same thing here. And we'll make another circle right here. I'm getting really close. Okay, now butterflies also have these kind of like lines, or they look kind of like vein lines that kind of go all the way around. So how about we'll make a few of those lines here? So how about maybe one from here curving up to here? Maybe another one from here to here. So just keep like making big spaces. And then how about another one curving up from here to here? And maybe another one down here to here. And then maybe one last one kind of going like that. And let's do the same thing on this side. So we'll do one going from here to here. So it just copies that look from bottom to the top and curving up like a nice curve going like that. And then another curve going like that. That. And then one last curve that's kind of somewhere from the middle going down like that. And then we'll do the same thing here. How about we'll make one going down like this? So here, like somewhere down here from
here.
And then we'll do one from here to here. So yeah.
Here to here.
And then the last one from here to here. Beautiful. And we'll do the same thing on this side, okay? So we'll do a curve going down from here to here.
Here.
Going down to the left. And then another curve from here down to the left. And then last one somewhere around here going like that. Okay, so how about we'll add a little bit more details and then we'll be done. We'll be ready to color?
Yep.
Yep, okay. So for that, how about we'll just do a few more, maybe like little circles to decorate. So for that, I think I'm gonna do maybe not circles, maybe I'll do little oval shapes. So I'll just go 1, 2, 3. Butterflies have so many different kind of patterns and shapes. You can do ovals, circles, lines. So just remember to have fun with it and try different things, or you can follow along with the way we're doing it. Same thing on this side. Make an oval like here, another over here, and another oval here. So I'm just repeating the same. All right, are you ready to do the bottom part right here?
Yep.
Okay, so let's do the same thing. Let's make a curve right there. Let's make another oval shape right here. And a big oval one right there. Okay, and then how about the same thing here? And like that. And a big one right there. Okay, so basically that's our butterfly pattern. What do you think?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
You can also add more things if you want. You can add some more lines, some more circles, whatever you like. At this point, I think we're ready to color ours in. Here are butterfly drawings all colored in. Lila, you want to show yours a little bit close up?
Yep.
Ooh, I love it. I like how you painted your body yellow, and she looks like such a little happy lady. And then here's mine, about same. I used also a lot of pinks and purples, and then added like a little bit of like a bluish dark color. And looks like Lila, you got excited when you also decided to color my page in a little. So thank you for doing this drawing exercise with us. We really hope you enjoyed it. And we would also love to see how your butterfly drawings turn out too. So please take a photo and ask your parents to share it with us. The information is right below this video. And if you want to see more drawing examples from us, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and share this video with a friend. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.